Welcome, TeachLink friends, users, and potential users. Today, I want to remind you that TeachLink has a YouTube channel chock full of some information. So, if you have a quick question or just need a review, head on over to the TeachLink YouTube channel. Once you get to the channel, if you land on the home button, first you're going to see the TeachLink Tuesday Tips. These are very short, 2-3 minute videos. If you head to the playlists, there are 3 playlists. The first playlist, you will find all of those TeachLink Tuesday quick tips. The second playlist, you'll see the admin tutorials that are focused on areas that admin use most often, and staff tutorials. If you click on this View Full Playlist, you'll be able to see all of the TeachLink Tuesday tips that are listed in there. Those are all very short, quick 2-3 minute videos. The playlist from the admin tutorials includes 2 sections on your dashboard, on your admin dashboard, a forms manager, a templates manager, and an intro to TeachLink that's often appropriate to play for new staff. The staff tutorials playlist includes a tutorial on SLOs, using the lesson planner, using the discipline referral section, teacher contact section, and your timeline. Also has that 3-minute intro. If there's a video that you would like to see, please contact. We're always looking for ways to help out.